Fernovo offers installment loans of up to £1,000 to be repaid over 2 months to 6 months, or smaller payday loans that must be repaid in full in up to 38 days. Fernovo, a trading name of Quiddy Limited, claims to be the faster, fairer, smarter future of short-term and payday loans. With interest rates significantly less than the maximum allowed by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, Fernovo could prove cheaper than many of its competitors in this market. Fernovo's fancily named Novo quote decision engine can give you a pre-approval decision in 60 seconds and keeps your details anonymous, so your credit rating is not affected. Once approved, you can expect the money to be in your bank account within 15 minutes. Additionally, there are no hidden charges and Fernovo will not penalize you if you repay your loan early. Sounds promising, but is Fernovo really a different breed of short-term lender? Let's take a closer look. Key features of a Fernovo loan. Borrow up to £1,000. Borrow up to £1,000 with a short-term loan of £1,000 or up to £400 with a payday loan, where you pay back the full amount in one lump sum on your next payday. Consider carefully which option will suit you best before you apply. Choose your repayment schedule. For installment loans, the minimum duration is 2 months and the maximum is 6 months. For payday loans, the minimum is 5 days and the maximum is 38 days. Soft searching. Fernovo's Novo quote decision engine provides you with a pre-approval response within 60 seconds. Your details are kept totally anonymous, so the search will not affect your credit rating. Fixed, high interest rates. At significantly less than the maximum interest rate allowed by the Financial Conduct Authority, Fernovo's rate is lower than many of its competitors. However, it is still high compared to mainstream financial institutions, and this is realistically an expensive way to borrow money. Smart money advice. Fernovo's Smart Money web section has useful information about the loans market and how to sort your finances, as well as lots of money-saving tips and hacks. No hidden charges or late repayment fees. If you are late with a payment, Fernovo will not charge you a penalty. However, you will continue to pay the same rate of interest until you have paid off the loan, up to a maximum of 100% of the amount borrowed. Missing payments will also damage your credit record. Early repayment. You will not be penalized for repaying your loan early. This is recommended if you can afford to do so, as you will only be charged interest for the number of days that you have had the loan. How does a Fernovo loan work? Complete this simple application form by providing your personal, banking, and employment details. Receive a pre-approval quote without affecting your credit rating. Once you click Apply, Fernovo uses the details you provided as well as information gained from credit reference agencies to automatically assess your creditworthiness and ability to pay back the loan. If you pass the automated checks, you will be sent some electronic documents with important information about your loan to read and e-sign. Once you have been approved, you can expect the money in your bank account within 15 minutes. How do I pay back my loan? Like most short-term loan providers, Fernovo uses a continuous payment authority, CPA, to collect the repayments from your bank account on your chosen dates. How much does a Fernovo loan cost? The cost of your Fernovo loan will depend on factors like your loan size, rate, and terms, as well as whether you take out an installment loan or short-term loan. Fernovo offer a special rate for returning customers, which is 10% below the cap rate. Example: you take a loan amount of £300 with a loan term of 3 months that includes monthly repayments and an interest rate 292% PAR. Representative APR 12.44%. The total cost to pay back would be £450.57. Is Fernovo safe? Fernovo is the trading name of Quiddy Limited, which is a registered lender and also fully authorized and regulated by the FCA. While it is safe to take out a loan with Fernovo from a regulatory standpoint, these types of short-term loans can cause serious financial issues, especially if you fail to make your repayments on time. What are the eligibility requirements? You should only apply for a Fernovo loan if you are confident you can meet the repayment terms. You must also be 18 or over, be in regular full-time or part-time employment or self-employed, live in the UK, be able to afford the repayments. Additional borrowing options. Fernovo does not allow you to top up, extend or roll over your loan, or take out multiple loans simultaneously. If you get into difficulties with repayments, contact a Fernovo advisor as soon as possible, who will work with you to find a solution.